Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on activity status on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now move back and click on inbox here. You can see at the top there is inbox. Click on it. You can see here green mark. If you turn it on, then you will see who is online now. People can see you and you can also see other people. In this way you can turn on activity status. This mark will appear in green or blue color. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.